We'll guide you through how to make a calendar in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want a simple way to organize schedules, deadlines, and events in one place. Notion offers a flexible workspace, but beginners often feel confused when setting up a calendar from scratch. This guide helps users quickly understand the steps so they can stay productive, plan efficiently, and manage their time without using multiple apps. To make a calendar in Notion, begin by opening Google Chrome on your desktop computer. Once your browser is open, go to Notion.com by typing the address into the URL bar and pressing enter. When the website loads, sign up for an account if you are new, or log in if you already have one. Enter your email and password in the required fields to access your workspace. After you reach the main page, locate and click on the Create a New Page icon to start a fresh page. Next, type a clear and relevant title for your page at the top. If you want to include notes or context, click below the title and type any additional information you need. To insert a calendar, type /calendar and select the calendar option to add it to your page. Once the calendar appears, click on the New button to create a new event. A new page will open, where you should type the title of your event. Then, set the appropriate date and time for the event and add tags if needed to organize it. If you want to include more details, click on Add a Property to expand the available options. From there, you can choose properties such as location, organizer, or RSVP depending on your needs. For example, select location and type in where the event will take place. You can also provide further details by typing information below the comments section on the event page. Once you finish entering all the necessary information, your event will be saved automatically and displayed on your calendar, allowing you to easily view and manage your schedule. This setup helps you keep track of important plans, deadlines, and meetings in one place. You can return to the calendar anytime to update events, adjust dates, or add new details as your schedule changes. Using this method ensures your information stays organized and easy to access, making your planning process more efficient and clear for daily, weekly, or long-term use within your Notion workspace for better productivity and consistent task management overall today.